today, and what you'll need to go litter picking and to stay safe during these times is gloves, a grabber, and a bag to put your rubbish in. Now, let's go and find rubbish.
Let's go.
What's that orange thing?
Oh.
It's a plastic toy.
Do you want me to help you with the bag, Molly?
Yeah.
And in it goes. Wow. Plastic toys left on the beach. I wonder how many of those there are.
What's that green?
Yeah, more paper, I think. Is it?
Is it a purple one? Yes, it is.
So if someone's been having a picnic and they've not moved their rubbish.
Mum, shall we go and look in those rocks?
Okay, and Molly, yesterday, what did they say at the beach office? We called them up, didn't we?
Yeah.
What did they say about the rubbish? They said to pick up litter safely, but what if there was anything?
Well, you don't pick up needles because they can be very sharp, and you also don't know to touch them, so that's why you wear gloves. And if there's anything too big, then you can tell them that it's too big and they can pick it up.
Well done, they can. There's a phone number for the beach and patrol office in Worthing. It's good to look amongst things as well. I think there's millions of those, aren't there? So it's great to get it. Let's have a look what you've got. Can you see? Yeah. Just behind the rocks there. Can you get that okay? You reach it? Yeah.
Still got water in.
Just pop it in the bag, Mol.
It's heavy.
There we go. Good girl. Well, it's good to pick it up. Now the beach looks very clean, but there might be more out there. Shall we carry on our litter picking and say goodbye to everybody?
Yes.
Bye.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.